Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor Mr. Opuki, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students that needs to improve either math skills or even physics. Alright, so today we are going to be looking at a problem that is solve the equation 1 over x minus what 5 over 3x equals to 5 over 6. So all we need to do is we want to find the LCM of all the denominators. So I have x, 3x, and what 6. We are going to draw a simple line, so we have x, 3x, and 6. Now we're going to reduce all this to 1, 1, 1. So let's start with the numbers. This is 6, this is 3. So what is common is 3. So 3 divide this, we're left with x. 3 divide 3x, x comes out. And 3 divide 6, we have is 2. Now still on the numbers, we can go for 2. So we have x here. 2 divide this, x is left. 2 divide this, x is left. 2 divide 2 is 1. So finally, we are going to divide with x. Okay, so that will give us 1, 1, and 1. Now, our LCM is going to be the product of what? 3 times 2 times what? X. So that will give us 3 times 2 is 6, so we have 6x. So now that we have gotten 6x as our LCM, the next simple step is we are going to multiply the whole expression by this. So the LCM of this is what? 6x. Okay. So we are going to multiply all through by 6x. So let's multiply this part. So 6x is going to multiply what? 1 over x. So we have minus. Okay, we are going to use 6x again to multiply what? 5 over what? 3x. And lastly, we are going to use 6x to multiply what? We have 5 over 6. Okay? Of course, the brackets means multiplication. Now for this, okay, this can cancel out this. So 6 times 1, we have 6. Okay, for this, we have x can cancel out x. 3 into 6 is 2. So we are left with what? 2 times 5. So we have 2 times 5, which is equals to what? Now 6 can cancel out 6 is 1, 1. X times 5 we have is 5 what? X. So now that we are left with this expression, let's simplify further. So we have this as 6 minus 2 times 5, we know it's 10, which is equals to what? 5x. Now from this point, we can now take 1 or 2 steps to arrive at the value of x that satisfies this equation. So 6 minus 10 is going to give us minus 4, which is equals to what? 5x. So at this point, what do we do to get the value of x? We can just simply divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. So I'm going to divide this by 5. I'm going to divide this by 5. Now the essence is so that the 5s at the right hand side can cancel out. So this will cancel out this, so we are left with x, which is equals to what? We have minus 4 over what? 5. So this gives us the simple solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.